And they were all different types of pumpkins, so there's different looking seeds for each one.
So guys, we are planting again.
These are Mary Washington asparagus. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you.
Okay, so we planted some stuff. I've got the little papers marking it, and I think we're gonna paint some rocks to mark what we planted in the garden. I still have some empty beds over here and here that I can still use for planting, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in those yet, but I'll have to start some more seeds for those. These are strawberries. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're just homeschooling today. We're staying at home. Luca's over here in the stroller. I just finished taping off this driveway so the girls can do the chalk art thing that everyone's doing on Facebook. I figured that would be a fun little art thing we could do today. The girls just went inside to get the rest of their chalk, and we're gonna get started on this little art project. So yeah, figured I would vlog a little today. I'm probably gonna paint some of the camper today, do some things, so I'll bring you along.
Yeah.
So what block are you gonna do, Reagan?
Any, mini, money, mo. Catch a tiger by a toe. If he hollers, let it go. I picked blue.
Okay, pick a shape. Which shape are you doing?
This one.
All right, you gotta color that whole thing blue.
I'll do it back.
I'm gonna do this one pink.
You can have one of these colors, like a purple, because purple's your favorite.
Yeah, I'll do that next.
Toss it over.
I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold.
I like my blue. I think
Never
that.
rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
You can get your hands off of my.
If the sky would open up, you're staying home but don't care. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees.
Coming along
Without me,
nicely.
I bet that you.
Alright, it's not perfectly like rectangular, but it is what it is, and I think it's gonna look pretty when we take the tape off. Reagan scraped her knuckle. Alright guys, here she is. This is our stained glass window chalk art. What do you think? I think they did pretty good. We all worked on it a little, so pretty. It's such a fun little project. Okay, so the kids and I had to get out of the house. We are just going for a drive. So I'm at Walmart parking lot, and this is the emptiest I've ever seen it. I'm actually really proud of everybody, which it is 7:15 in the afternoon, or the evening.
14.
So there was probably a lot more people here earlier because we do have a 9 o'clock curfew. But yeah, I'm really surprised that there's not a lot of people. I see some teenagers going in, of course, but there's really not that many people, so that's good. But yeah, we had to get out of the house because we started our quarantine way before everybody else. We see people with masks, that's good.
If one of us got sick, we could just stay in the camper.
Yes, that's our plan. If one of us gets sick, we're quarantining to the camper.
They're not staying in the kids' room.
Obviously, I'm the caretaker, so I'm gonna have to be with any of the kids if they get it, but if me or Wes gets it, we will quarantine to the camper. Yeah, so we're just driving around. I know it's not the best view, but I don't want people looking at me on this camera. And I don't have I need a camera holder in here. I had a phone holder, but I don't have a camera holder. My favorite Mexican restaurant.
It's closed.
It's closed. Hopefully not forever, but yeah, that's Walmart parking lot.
My favorite.
Alright, so this is the emptiest I've ever seen this parking lot. This is where I shop mostly. Bargain Hunt and Ross are closed. Hobby Lobby. This Hobby Lobby looks like it still might be open. Maybe it's just people working. I don't know. It's so weird. Look at those beautiful flowers.
Stop yucking.
Love spring.
Are those roses?
We got Reagan's old tunnel out for Luca. We're gonna see if he'll crawl through it.
Go. Go dog.
Put one of his toys in there.
Look, come on. What? Want a toy? A toy? Luca, I got a toy for you. Good toy.
There he goes.
Come on.
He's a crawling boy now.
Come here. Come on.
Yay!
Little more closer. Good job. Luca,
Yay!
Luca, I got a toy.
Look at you, bud.
Buddy.
Is that fun? That doggy licking your head.
Watch it.
Whoa.
Maybe we should put this on top. Like we should take him out and we should like lift it up and put it on him. And he can look through. Come on.
Excuse me.
Come here. Give me that.
Did you find your toy?
Come on. Come on, boy. Come on, buddy.
Yay! Uh-oh. Yay! Come back to me. Oh, coming back to Mama. There's a doggy.
Here we go. Oh, there's a dog. No, sorry. Come here. I got Snip Snip Alligator. Come on. Come on, buddy. Alligator up top. Come on. Hey. Come here. Ah. Mom, how about you go to this side and you can see his face better?
Okay.
And I go on that side.
Okay.
And you don't have to see his booty. Oh, no, mister! Go back!
Look at.
Luca! Look! Look!
Hey.
I got you!
Whoa!
Look!
Hey, Shug! Ah!
I'm coming too. Hi! I'm hi, Luca! With a sticky butt in front of me.
Hey, darling. Hey, Junior.
The bunny. The bunny.
Aw.
I'm going back. I'm gonna win. No, Luke, I won. Go Pretender. Go Pretender. Go Pretender.
He wants to stand up like a big boy.
Luca!
You playing with Sissy's desk?
Luca!
Ooh, careful.
Luca!
Searching fun.
Help me! Luca! Help me! Mom, help me! Mom, help!
So Bradley is doing Sunday school on Zoom right now. I'm going to show you guys that. But I'm so glad that our church is doing that for the kids so they can stay connected.
Good job. So Jesus gave his disciples power over sickness and told them to heal.
Bradley learned how to longboard.
I thought this was just a regular
Good job.
Is longboarding harder or easier?
I don't know.